Hey guys, what's up? It's Corey here, and I've been getting some requests to do an update on my Louis Vuitton wallet that I got. I think last fall. I got it around my birthday, and I just wanted to do that. So here is the wallet. So I've had it for I think 7 months, 8 months now. Here it is. See, there's a little fraying on here on the sides. And a lot of people I know had issues with this. I have to admit, I kept the plastic on this for a while, but I finally took it off. So let's open it up. I don't think I have anything in here. I took everything out, but I can put my cards in it later. So I think one thing I noticed is the sides. So I don't know if you could see that. It's sort of rubbing off a little bit. I don't know if I can clean that with baby oil or something, but that's just something I noticed. I don't mind, but it's something I noticed on the side. I wonder, oh, why does it do that? And I'm guessing it's because this maybe rubs up against it. I still have these in the middle. They just sort of stayed in there. Here are these, and I normally keep it pretty full. Like at first I was sort of like, put a card or two in it, but I've been keeping it pretty full. Full, not full. And yeah, so here's that. I'm definitely more like, not toss it around, but just more wear and tear with it now than I was at first when I first got it, trying to like baby it and stuff. I don't carry a purse a lot of times. I do tend to now because I have a bigger phone and it doesn't fit in my pocket. So having this, my keys and my phone is kind of a lot. But yeah, so that is the wallet. I love it. I'm really happy I purchased it. I think it's gonna last me a long time. The only thing that sort of crossed my mind is like how often I really need it, because I use Apple Pay on my phone and things like that. So but I keep my driver's license and stuff in here, so I tend to just have it on the dash when I drive, or in my pocket. It's not really thrashing around in a purse or anything. Another thing to know is to be careful with transfer. So I wear a white watch, and it has some transfer on it just from wearing. I like wearing. I can't think of what the material is. Like the North Face puffer coats, like the shiny things like that. Like I did have some transfer putting this in a vest, and there was blue on it. So you do need to be careful with this. Wearing blue jeans, things that have dye, things that can run, it will stain this. And I had some issues with it, but maybe it faded away or something like that. But yeah, I love the style. And then someone else asked in a previous video to show my Keep It bracelet. I've had this Keep It bracelet, I think, since 2014. So I'll show you. Yeah, it's got the old box and everything. This is relatively old, but I will show it to you because someone asked. But here is my Keep It bracelet. As you can see, like the hardware has sort of gone significantly. It looks pretty shabby, but I think that when you're wearing this, this is normally like on the inside of your wrist, so you don't really see it. So I'm not too worried about that. Again, this is like, has to be at least 5-6 years old, so I think that's fine for what this is. And I think that, like, especially now, if I wore this, like, we're constantly washing our hands because of the pandemic, like, this might have gotten wet, and this is why that happened. Like, maybe I wasn't as cautious with it, like washing my hands and things like that, because we've been doing that so often with the pandemic. But yeah, this is the bracelet I have, and yeah, I don't really wear them together because I take this with me every day, and this I might wear once in a while if I remember to put it on. It's also hard to put on by myself, so, but yeah. So that's that for anyone that was curious about that. I have a video of this up on my YouTube channel from like years ago, so I guess it can be an update for that too. But I think overall, I love this wallet. I'm someone, I don't like carrying purses. I honestly, I'm not into purses. I'm not into makeup, things like that. But I really love this wallet. It's nice, it's compact, it's portable, it fits in my pocket, it fits in my my shorts. I don't really wear jeans really in the summer, but it fits in like my shorts and just like the different materials, and it looks great. So let me fill this with my cards and stuff that I normally have in it, so you can see what it looks like full. And again, I don't even know how often I take out my cards anymore from this because I have Apple Pay and everything set up. But I will fill it up with everything I have just to show you. So you got a Costco card we can put in there, and then I guess I'll put my ID in the back. So you can't see that. But yeah, so I think, yeah, nothing's really showing. Okay, so this is what it looks like full. Got a little punch card for some froyo. And sometimes I find myself when I'm using it and I open it, it's sometimes hard to put things in here, so I stick it in the back pockets. Yeah, so here is everything that's in there. Yeah, and I think it's great. Close it up so you can see it. Definitely got thicker. But yeah, this is a great wallet. I think that if you're on the fence about getting it, buy it. Buy it if it's not going to be a financial burden, of course. Like, buy it within your means, but I think it's a great investment, and I love the way it looks. When I take it out, I'm like, oh, cool, I have this awesome wallet, and it still smells really good as well. So I have no regrets buying this. It's something that I wanted for years, and I finally have it. And I thought the pink was just such a great touch as well. And I think to this day, I haven't even seen it in stock, really. So, I don't know. I'm really happy to have it. Again, you can see there's a little bit of stuff here, but I don't know. I don't really care. Like, I bought it because I wanted it, and I can't worry about like little things like that, because you know, as it wears and tears, it's gonna have things. But I just love the feel of it. I love the size of it, and yeah, I'm happy I have it. If you guys have any other questions, you know, always, you know, feel free to let me know. I was really busy with school recently, but I graduated. You know, I now have 2 master's degrees. I'm looking for a job, applying for jobs and stuff. So life is really good, and maybe a lot more different when I have a job and I can buy more things maybe like this. But I'm probably gonna focus more on saving. But yeah, so this is that. I love it. If you're on the fence, you know, and it's something you can afford and you want, and you're just looking at other things, I say get it. It's great. And I'm pretty sure if I had issues with this, like any kind of like rips or anything like that, I could always probably take it in for repair, right? So there's that. And then for those who are wondering how much this costs, if you haven't seen my other video, yeah, we'll do this. It was $529, and so that's with Chicago sales tax. So it was pretty expensive, but for the use I'm getting out of it and everything, it's been great, and I love it. It literally just, most of the time, it just sits on my desk right here. When I'm at work or whatever, it just sits there, and I take it with me when I go places. And mostly it's just a way to hold my ID. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this update was helpful. If there's anything I missed, please let me know. I know this video is pretty long, and I might have rambled a bit, but yeah, I just wanted to give an update on this. And yeah, just say that I'm happy. I'm still happy with my purchase. I have no regrets, and I think that I'm gonna get my money's worth out of this, because this is gonna last a long time. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.